Okay, now we're gonna do some snow. For the snow, I don't usually roll it out. I'm just kind of roll it into a little bit of a cord, and I'm gonna start with this piece here. And I am just going to spread this out. That way we keep some of it thick. And then just kind of bring it on over here like this and just spread it out. So we are just gonna bring our snow down here. And we'll add a little bit more. To be kind of dripping down. It's like I had a little red in that, so I just need to get rid of that. It's very snowy. Big storm. Big storm. Okay, so we want to take a little bit of buttercream and just kind of smear it on here, and then we'll end up wiping some off so it leaves the grout in between the bricks. Whatever it's called. It's probably not grout. But you know what I mean, right? Right. Okay. Come back with this spatula and clean some of that off. And let's move this along a little faster and take a paper towel. Get some of that thicker stuff off. Okay, I'll leave it like that and decide which side I like better. I think I like this one, so that's going to be the front. Okay, okay. All right, so on the top of the chimney, there's going to be snow, right? So I'm just going to use fondant for that. And I'll roll this into a pretty thick cord. We might even need a bigger piece. We'll see in a minute. Okay, I will start, if that's the front, I'll start maybe over here. And then bend all this. I actually had enough. Okay, and then you can just kind of pull some of this down. And try not to pull the brick down at the same time, which is what I almost did there. Okay, so mostly sand will be in there, but thinking maybe just in case I see a little bit, I'll put a tiny bit of black fondant in there. Just in case I see an area next to them or something. We don't want to do that, so. I'll just cut a little square. Cut it down. You want it to be, if I have it a little bit smaller than the inside, then I can stretch it out. Okay, and then that buttercream around the side, I'll go ahead and clean that up with a brush.